Ever dreamed of bringing your wildest ideas to life with the stroke of a keyboard? Today, we're diving into Sora 2, the revolutionary AI that's transforming text into breathtaking video. Get ready to witness the future of visual storytelling. The magic begins with your imagination. Our first step is crafting a compelling text prompt. Think detailed. Think evocative. Describe the scene, the mood, the characters, and even the camera angles you envision. For example, a determined astronaut planting a flag on a lush, alien planet with 2 moons. Once your prompt is ready, it's time for Sora 2 to work its wonders in the background. The AI analyzes your words, translating them into visual elements with incredible depth and realism. And voila, Sora 2 has brought our prompt to life. Notice the stunning detail in the astronaut's suit, the rich textures of the alien planet, and the majestic presence of those twin moons. This is not just animation. This is simulated reality, generated from pure text. The beauty of Sora 2 lies in its versatility. You can iterate and refine, try different phrasing, add stylistic cues like cinematic lighting or dreamlike atmosphere, and see how Sora 2 adapts and surprises you with its interpretations. Let's try something different. We'll input a new prompt, a whimsical robot composing a symphony in a sun-dappled park, with birds flying around it. Look at that! The playful robot, the gentle sunlight, the animated musical notes. Sora 2 captures the essence of our text with incredible fidelity and charm. From epic science fiction adventures to subtle artistic expressions, Sora 2 opens up a universe of creative possibilities. It's time to push the boundaries of visual storytelling and bring your unique visions to life. Start experimenting today.